videos ago at this point. And it's been sitting for a minute. And we got 112 octane to run this thing on. Last time didn't go that fast. Turbo was completely blown out. It still is. I haven't changed anything else. And so we got to go get that 112 and probably pump up the back tire. See if we can't fix that up and see how fast we go. Because we got to actually take it to a place. That's not going anywhere. It's dead.
Alright, get it going, son.
Yeah, I know. Alright, we gotta go back tire.
Just fill it up.
Yeah, and I have 112
And then it's good to go?
right here. Actually, that's in there.
Hey,
What?
then it's good to go?
Yeah, it should be.
Alright, bet.
Alright, that's as empty as it's gonna get.
Get to it, buddy.
So sorry. I got 112 octane from the lawnmower.
Yeah, they know.
Okay, we're just gonna see how that does. We're gonna fill it up. Oh, dude, I hate these new gas cans. Those expensive too.
Yeah.
They're 16 a gallon.
$16?
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, because there's racing fuel. That was good one. Alright, now I gotta pump up the front tire. Or the back tire, it's like dead.
Alright, get to it.
Okay.
I think you got it, buddy.
That's
Holy.
You gotta go start it so we don't spook the horses. Start over here in the field. Ah, it's raining. Ow, my knees. It's gonna take you quite a minute.
Awesome, doesn't run.
Great.
Be here all day. Be here all day.
Yeah, we are.
What?
Still runs. Okay, we're good.
Clearly.
Yeah, fairly. Here, let me see it. I'll show.
Nope.
Last time, look how bad this turbo is. Ow. It like moves. You can like shake it back and forth. We saw it in the last one. That was the issue with the last one. That turbo like just fell apart completely. It was so bad.
Your truck?
Yeah. All right, we got 112 octane mixed with a little 93, so probably like 100 octane. We're gonna take a couple laps around here. It is raining, and this back tire's bald on gravel, so it might be a little rough, but we're just gonna make sure it's running right before we go take it down the road. You wanna go first?
Ride it?
Yeah.
Sure.
All right, there you go. I'm gonna go grab a helmet. I'll be back.
Is this yours?
Yeah, that's fine. I got it off Facebook. It's worse than my American flag one.
Oh.
You got it.
Whoa.
Take it off. It'll be raining. You're gonna like not be able to see.
It's hot as shit in here.
Yeah, it's really hot. All right, don't burn your leg on that turbo.
If I put my leg down, it just touches it.
Yeah, you gotta like put your foot up and like, yeah.
Oh, this is poverty.
Yeah, it was
All right.
Facebook.
So I gotta crank it?
Yeah, you gotta crank it, keep it going, and then just drive around. Be careful though, because you're on gravel and this thing's gonna slip out from under you.
Let me just turn it.
It was like barely started. Just ripped everything up. You could go in yard, but yard's also swampy. You didn't even give it some gas when you start it.
I got it.
Died on him. Hey, I'm gonna try. Just switch out. Good news is it semi-runs.
What?
Good news is it semi-runs.
How are you supposed to get on it when if it dies like that?
I don't know. We're about
Here.
to. I don't know if choke's on or what.
Ow.
Sorry.
I was so scared to burn my fucking leg.
Yeah, burning your leg sucks on this thing. Alright. Please start.
It's gonna run if we put more gas.
Yeah.
I think it's just cooked. Me being
It
personal.
might be pretty good. It's pretty rough, but I don't think it's cooked.
I do.
I don't.
But I do.
I don't. Yeah, there's gotta be enough. Look, the fuel is blue. So if you can see it, it's blue. Racing fuel. Makes me feel fast.
Turbo.
Turbo. White Shadow. For some reason, it just won't get fuel. We have gas now. I'll ride first just because it's probably going to be a mess. Now we see. I don't know if up or down is choke either.
I don't know either. Alright, go, 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 go.
There is no like room to do anything. It's like
It
you
just
touch
keeps-
the throttle and it's just like wide.
Really?
You wanna it's like you touch it and it just like jolts.
Yeah.
You wanna try it?
No.
Okay. You really don't want to try it now?
No.
No, okay.
I already got my turn.
Yeah, we gotta go. Let's load it up in the truck and go take it to a road where we can do top speed. As soon as you touch anything on wet grass, it just slips out. There's zero room to speed up or do anything. I couldn't even turn. So we gotta load it up, go straight road. But it didn't seem to bog like it did last time, so that's pretty good. On racing fuel.
No,
Yeah, it's pretty good now.
no.
Yeah, look at the turbos.
Complete shit.
I don't know if you could see though. It was like blowing smoke. That turbo's just like.
What about the big ass divot over there?
I know, the turbo's like shot. You can see the turbo smoking. It was completely shot. And it was probably running rich. I don't know if choke's on or off. It didn't seem to make a difference. All right, let's load up. Also, we need gas. The truck's on empty. Completely dead. All right, day 2. We finally got it out. Going to take a top speed run. We got the 112 octane in the tank, and it seems to run good enough to where we can trust it. So we're gonna load it up and go take it to a straight road. I'm gonna wear the safety jeans.
The safety what?
Jeans
I'll go.
and boots. I like don't want to eat. Let me throw these on over my shorts. I'm just going jeans over shorts. That guy's not gonna like this. Good enough for me. Hey, you can't do that here. Alright, you want to load this thing?
I want to watch you do it.
Oh god. I will see how well this goes.
It's so weird with like a baseball, whatever's going on in the back.
They got a baseball game going on. Is this a good spot to film? Or you want to go further down? So I can go like drive by. You're like, meow.
Probably a little further. Why did it already die?
I don't know, it's just died.
Alright, yeah, I'm gonna go a little further. Probably.
You can hear the turbo spool. Wide open. All right, we're gonna give it a minute. See what we hit. 43. All right. Let's see how we do in a second. Try again. The brakes just do not work. Stay alive, stay alive. Alright, we'll go back to the who's up there. Dude, it does not like wide open. I go wide open and it just like sputters and eventually dies. I think
Why does it die so
I think
quick?
it's running out of fuel. Holy crap, I can smell it. You gonna go? Just once.
Sure.
Yes. Alright, you know where you have to wear the safety jeans though.
Why?
I don't know, in case you fall. Here we go. My jeans. Oh, let's see top speed, by the way.
Huh?
Let's see top speed. 43. Didn't change.
Really?
Ah.
What did you expect it to
So last time I ran it, it was like 47, 48.
be? Really?
Yeah. But turbo's worse. We have race fuel now, which doesn't make sense, but it's fine. Guy on Facebook said it runs 70s.
What?
I was like, I don't know. But then,
So you tell me you got scammed?
no, I mean, I kind of knew what I was buying. I was like, all right, this doesn't make sense, but it was cool. It had a turbo. All right, you can take a pass. You want to wear boots or just shoes with safety jeans?
I'll just wear the jeans.
All right.
Baggy ass jeans on, boy.
I know, they're safety though.
They're not safety, they're just regular ass jeans.
They are, they're safety. Oh yeah, don't hammer that speed bump. That one hurt pretty bad.
Really?
But then the other one you can just slide in between. You'll see what I'm talking about.
Alright.
Pull start, give it a little throttle. It should start up.
Huh? I should have brake on though, right?
Yeah, the brake like barely works. Give it a little gas.
Huh?
Give it a little gas when you do it. Just be prepared. Just give it a little gas.
There you go.
I know you have to go a little bit though. Golly, that thing's loud. You can hear the turbo. It died. How was it?
Shit right here?
What?
I almost ate shit right there.
Right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. You like
This shit
floored
makes
it
your
and then
hands
just
itchy, I'll
spun
tell you
out.
that.
What?
Makes your hands itchy.
Yeah. I was like, dang, because it like vibrates so much.
Yeah, I like cuts out.
Yeah, I know it's bad. How fast did you run?
I don't know.
Pull the phone out. Oh, I had my phone. Oh, you didn't go top speed.
If anything, it was like what yours was.
Really?
Yeah.
All right, we'll stick with 43. So 43, I guess. Not great, but you know.
That back tire just like spun out right there.
Yeah, because there's zero tread on it. There's nothing left. Hopefully these people didn't mind too much. How was it though, other than that? Other than cutting out and not running right.
It was good. If it could just stay consistent, 'cause you have to like throttle it like every couple seconds so it doesn't die out.
I know, you have to like twist it a little bit. It died wide open on me a couple times.
Really?
Yeah, I was like full throttle and it was great and then just,
'Cause you can't like glide.
yeah, there's no glide. I can't believe it went slower though with race fuel. It's $16 worth of race fuel and it went slower. That was depressing. That's not what we wanted to see. Only got to like 45-ish with you riding it actually, but so I think that was
I'm
about
lighter,
45.
that's
yeah,
why.
I think you hit 45. But guy said it was supposed to hit 60, so nowhere near that. Turbo's destroyed, so turbo's awful, completely shot. No oil lines, so that's also rough. Probably why it was running the trash, and it would cut out full throttle. Going full throttle just died, which is awful. I don't know if did that happen to you too?
What?
Like I was full, like wide open, and it just like died.
Nah, not really for me.
And then it was terrible. Hated it.
Not really.
But Let us know what we should do with it if we go new turbo. I think I might have a turbo in the back, or what we should do with that. Actually get oil lines, you know, whatever. But after that, we got more projects for y'all. Just bought some new things on Facebook. There's a
Sneak peek.
mini NASCAR in the back, so that'll be fun just to rip around. But thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one.